let's use the facts that you wrote down, these facts. I told you to write 3 facts. 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter. 10 millimeter is equal to 1 centimeter. And then 1,000 meters is equal to 1 kilometer. Let's use the facts to start to solve some problems and to deepen our learning and understanding. So if we ask to convert 400 centimeter to meters, first we're going to write the facts that we know. So we'll write, 100 centimeter is equal to a meter. Now take note, we want to convert centimeter to meter. I want you to look at this relationship between centimeter and meter. If I ask you to think about what you would have done to 100 to get to 1, you would say, I simply just divided by 100. Of course, you're right. So that means the relationship to go from centimeter to meter is to divide by 100, because just look at the relationship that I told you to write down, the facts that I told you to write down in the previous slide of my presentation. It is 100 centimeter equal to 1 meter. So just looking at this, just this, ignore the 400. If I asked you, how would you get from 100 to 1? What would you have to do? You would say, oh, I have to divide by 100. Of course. So because we know that fact, that's what we're going to do to the 400, and that gives us the equivalent of 4 meters. Using the facts that you learned in our previous slide, I want you to answer these questions. See how well you can apply what you've learned. Okay, assuming you've done this, let's review. If we want to convert 450 centimeter, we're going to use exactly what we know how to do. First, we write down the fact or the relationship that we know that I told you to write down. So the relationship between centimeter and meter. Once you've written that fact, you can then use that fact to answer the question. So in this case, we divide by 100. To get from centimeter to meter, you divide by 100. So we do the same to 450. That gives us 4.5. Here, to convert 4 centimeter to meter, we do the same thing, and that gives us 0.04. Now, to convert kilometers to meters, again, remember, you have to write the facts that you know and look at the way we make sure the same units are lined up. Had to write 1 kilometer is equal to 1,000 meter and make it correspond or line up with the unit I want to convert from, which is 4 kilometers. I want to go from kilometer to meter. To go from kilometer to meter, I just need to multiply by 1,000. Because look, to go from 1 to 1,000, you have to multiply by 1,000. We are going to have to do the same to kilometer, and that gives us 4,000 meters.